Start a lesson right now here over here. Let's start a lesson. If you want to become a professional electrician, this is the best platform for you. Just take your time. Don't just pass by the video, but take your time and trim. Now, on the video, no send a bell bit now for the amount. When you be an hour down for your person electrician field, the actual electrician. Yeah, I do win as a son who send a bell. Kakra can make sure. Kwan a wobɛtumi afa so na wabɛyɛ electrician a wonhia sɛ wobɛkɔ akɔkyɛ sika ma obi a yeah, this is the best platform. Nti sɛ yɛbɛhwɛ a anaasɛ yɛbɛhyɛ ase a this is the topic. So I name it your path for to become a professional electrician. Yeah, your path to become a professional electrician. Yeah, so firstly, as you share idea about essential electrical safety rules for beginners or essential. It's electrical rules are essential for beginner. As a beginner person, you're professional electrician. Rules be your essential. Yeah, so into rules me wait me at take time now. I share always switch off the main power supply before handling wire or equipment. When you learn and as a beginner, no person you do more life and as a beginner, as a who say home circuit now off. We do lights now, so why you do my because when you expect yes, you can receive electric shock. Quite am fascinating because this is for beginners or be a qualified or no bit my age without receiving any shock. And if I want to start anything, I ask them the Casafa safety because safety is very important. Asana, yeah, share the aka. So your safety is very important to me. That's why I decided to start with safety. Yeah, that's why I decided to start with safety. So let's go. This is how it is. Always switch off the main supply before handling wires and cable. We use a voltage tester to confirm that the circuit is truly de-energized. And so what we use to test that always be and so who so tester as a beginner. I'm talking about a beginner. Yeah, that's why I said for beginners. You have to always be ISO tester, but you have to always carry your tester along. Any circuit you see, you have to test it to see if the circuit is dead before you can hold it or you can handle it. Otherwise, it will cause you harm. So let's go. This is what you have to know. So just take your time and read due to our time. Otherwise, as we finish, we spend about 10 minutes over here, which is very bad. So let's go. We have already spent 2 minutes. So this is the tools, use tools, proper tools. Yeah, don't use your hands through your finger to test whether the circuit is dead or hot. So you take your time and pause the video to learn about it. Okay, let's go. Basic tools. The tools you have to know. Yeah, the tools you have to know. This is the tools: wire strippers, diagonal cutters, long nose plier. You have to know what long nose plier is. Their function is here, and then I've put everything on the table so that you can see everything clear. Your knife, yeah, your knife can be used to peel your cable, your tester. This is what you have to know. Yeah. So let's go. The tools. Yeah, I've put everything here. This all your tools you have to know over here. This your tools, your plier, your cutter, and everything. So we just have to move on. Okay, let's go. After the tools, and then we'll move on to the switches. Yeah. So we are talking about tools and petty, let's say some simple switches you have to know. This switch the first switch is one gang one way. The second switch is two gang. The third one is three gang. We have four gang. We have fan regulators, single socket, three pin socket, and then single pin socket. This how it is. So when you tell a consumer or someone asks you what is one gang switch, you can see the first one is one gang switch, the second one is two gang switch, the third one is three gang, the fourth one is four gang. As you can see, we have one gang one way, we have one gang two way. The next video I'll teach you all this. Yeah, that's why I said just take your time and message me. You can inbox me or DM me so that I can teach you. I can take my time and go into it. So we have to just speed up so that our time we can manage our time. And then protective device. As a beginner, you have to know about your protective device. Yeah, when you say protective device, that is the definition of protective device. The definition of protective device you can see over here. The definition of protective device you can see protective device. So you can read on yourself. Protective device is built into electrical system to detect abnormal conditions like excessive currents or fault and interrupt the flow of electricity before damage and or injury occurs. So you can see this according to my own understanding. I want to do everything on my own, so this is my own understanding. So you can just see, okay, this is a fuse or the old main switch. You can see this kind of fuse inside. It's a fuse. You have circuit breakers. Then we have type of circuit breaker. We have MCCB, miniature, and then others. So just take the picture of it due to our times so that we can speed up. The next time I'll take my time and then we move on to the wiring. Yeah, the wiring is very important. We move on to the wiring. So this is the protective device. Yeah. So if you see this, it's a protective device. If you see this, it's a protective device. This is the protective device. When you so this protective, their main function is to interrupt the circuit. When there is for this protective device has its function to just trip or just diffuse, just cut so that you can be safe or your accessories can be safe. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye. See you for the next video about the wiring. We start with the wiring. So see you in the next video. Thank you.